Straight-through processing is a method for advancing intermediate material without meeting the requirements for a full release. With this method, intermediate material is moved to the next processing stage at risk. This requires assessing a set of minimum batch review requirements to provide an early evaluation of batch capability. As part of this process, the production batch record is reviewed. All investigations associated with the batch are identified and reviewed for potential impact. Available environmental monitoring data is analyzed to determine if there are any microbial risks. Straight-through processing allows manufacturers to be flexible and not follow the standard manufacturing model. With straight-through processing, quality control release testing and quality assurance review occur parallel to manufacturing. Merck used straight-through processing for bulk intermediates, and the outcome in our experience has been very positive. In one instance, lead time was cut by 45%. Inventory levels were lowered, and testing data was provided on time. And this data supported an early read on the health of the batch. Ultimately, this made a safe, effective, and compliant product available to the customer. Merck is in the business of saving lives and providing innovative products that make a difference. With straight-through processing, we had to change our way of thinking and be open to innovation. This new way of thinking will enable us to produce a product without compromising quality or compliance. Quality is never an option, it is a must. So a manager can start with some basic questions that are not new to anyone in GMP manufacturing. Does this change impact your product license, hold times, validation, and CPPs? Is there a high risk for a sterility failure? Will there be a potential injury to the patient, a field alert, or possible product recall? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then flexible manufacturing is not an option. You need to adopt a strategy that does not impact compliance, a strategy that supports market changes and volume increases while still maintaining product quality. Yes, and it should be. You want your team to make risk-based decisions. Critical thinking skills are a necessity when working in a GMP and aseptic environment. If the controlled environment is disrupted, how should I respond? What do I need to do to bring my systems back into a controlled state? QRM relies on important principle, using sound data to make decisions. What is the level of risk? Is there risk to the patient? Does it impact batch quality? ICH Q9 states that the protection of the patient by managing the risk to quality should be considered of prime importance.